Hi, my name is Haley. I'm the Assistant Director of Enrollment Services, and welcome to Carrington College Glendale. Let me show you around. Now, the best place to park is in the West Passage parking lot, which is located off of North Sunset Boulevard between the Renaissance Hotel and Dave & Buster's. And this way, we'll head towards the elevator, which will take us up to the 3rd floor where we're located. Now, when you step off the elevator, Carrington College will be located here. And here's where our medical assisting classroom is. And this is our why wall. When our students begin classes, they like to tell us the reasons why they chose this career education path. And every day, it's a reminder of why they chose Carrington College. And here's our dental assisting classroom. And over here, we have our lounge area. This is where our students like to hang out before, after class, work on their assignments, and have a space of their own. And over here, we have our Student Success Center. This is where students can utilize resources outside of their classroom and also meet with academic coaches who are there to support you. And that's our campus. Thank you for stopping by. If you want any more information, click the link below to find out more, or feel free to stop by anytime.